Hi, my name is Josh. I am the person behind most of this Black Bear brand stuff, or if not most of it, I guess all of it. What we have in front of us is the Roughout Chore Coat collection, man's and a woman's chore coat. Created it with a very special leather. This leather is the leather that Horween created with or for me, and they did it originally for a motorcycle seat. I had that leather and quickly fell in love with it just by playing with it for the seat and created a jacket. That jacket ended up being worn by Kevin Costner in Yellowstone. It was the finished side out, which is what's now the inside or serves as the lining of these two jackets. What I've done is created a man's version and a woman's version. And the woman's version is a result of a number of very wonderful women that have been customers of Black Bear brand, but worn the men's chore coat past few years. And they've shared with me kind of what they would love for me to do if I was to ever make a woman's one. And excited to be able to kind of apply those things in which they shared that they dreamt of having in a woman's chore coat. And that comes to our narrower shoulders, the way in which we treat and designed kind of the armhole and the armpit, removing the pocket flaps and the chest pockets, softening up that area, softening some of the harder lines on the chore coat and collar, tapering the sleeve differently, bringing in only one button on the cuff versus two on the men's. And even the men's, we refined some of the things that I wanted in the chore coat. Black Bear brand chore coats for a handful of last years, made a number of them within Harris tweed and denim and what have you, but was able to take all those fun things that I'd learned and dreamt of having in that and apply it to this men's. I think you're gonna love this jacket. I certainly do.